This video will watch the best ratings for Christmas white snowflake ornaments, over 3,800 customer reviews. 36 PCs Christmas white snowflake ornaments, plastic glitter snowflakes ornaments for winter Christmas tree decorations. Snowflakes of varied sizes. A value pack of 36 PCs white Christmas glitter snowflakes in 3 varied sizes and 2 different patterns. 8 PCs for 4.2 inches for both styles, 10 PCs for 3 inches and 10 PCs for 1.8 inches. It's a lot of snowflakes, sufficient for your Christmas decorations. Christmas tree snowflakes. Featuring sparkly glitters on the surface, these white snowflakes tree ornaments add much more sparkle to your Christmas tree decorations. Various sizes give a nicer variety to the tree. Just let it snow. Winter decoration snowflakes. These glitter white snowflakes also look gorgeous on windows, ceilings, fireplaces, etc., perfect for winter decorations. Theme birthday decor. Scattering some small glitter snowflakes on the table, you will find them great center pieces for your Frozen theme birthday party, winter wonderland birthday party, etc. Plastic craft snowflakes. These white snowflakes are ideal for art craft projects like decorating Christmas cards, gift packages, home decorations, or anything you could think of. Sturdy snowflakes. The glittery white snowflake ornaments are well made of hard plastic with sparkly glitter, gorgeous and reusable. Save it for further use. Designed to hang. Big Christmas snowflake ornaments have holes at the top for easy hanging. Except some that are only with the hollow design, but they can also be hung easily with the string included. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching my video.